Pain. I'm feeling it. This is horrible. No one's enjoying this. Look at how much money we are losing. 9 grand in a week. You can see it. 13 grand in a month. I left home at 16 and I'm a man who's done it all on my own. I've not ever had any money. I've had to work for everything. No one gave me any money. And this is a lot of money to be losing. But of course, we're not losing until we sell. I'm feeling pressure. I'm feeling stress. It's horrible. It goes against everything I believe in. The lying, the manipulation, the noise, the chaos, the upset, the wars, the drama. It's a very, very painful place to be right now investing. But there are 2 ways you look at this. There are investors and there are traders. There are those that short markets to try and drive everything down to zero to make money for themselves. There are those that get up every morning and work, dig ditches, invest, keep going, keep investing, keep believing, keep doing the right thing, supporting the economy. For those of you that want to trade it and ruin it, those of you that keep dumping it, those of you that keep selling it, we've got to stay in. We've got to work together. All the noise of tariffs, constant noise just to create drama, to drive markets down, just so those with money can buy it up again, just so they can dump it again. If you are investing right now, like me, you are an investor. You build things. You work hard for your money. You work hard. You save. You don't spend. You invest. You are propping up the economy. You are building the economy. You are providing it with liquidity. For you, like me, it's hard. It's tough because most people just don't care. They dump it. They get out. They short it. They manipulate it. They create FUD. They create noise. So what do? Do we become a trader and a gambler and just drive everything down, short everything, sell everything? And then, of course, we want everyone to buy it back so we can make money, be selfish and be greedy. No, that's not for me. But that is the way the world works, sadly. I'm an investor. I'm going to keep investing. When the markets go down, I keep buying. I work harder. I earn more money to buy more. Of course, there's a limit to that. Eventually, you run out of money. Eventually, if the stock goes down 50%, 60%, you get margin called. You lose everything. But what can you do? If that is your mindset, if your mindset is about working, building, staying in, supporting the economy, that's who you are. And that's who I am. I've been that way all my life. I like building things, making things, believing in things, investing in things. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing it with every fiber of my body. Every part of me is working as hard as I can. This is horrible. This is stressful. At some point, it will stop selling. At some point, it will hit the bottom. No one knows. No one knows. Everyone likes to say, everyone likes to come on and tell you, you're wrong. They know. They know when the bottom is. They know what. No one does. No one does. At some point, it will hit the bottom. And when it does, and the money returns, it'll go up as fast as a rocket. You won't believe how quickly it will go up. Bull markets have always, since the beginning of time, been stronger and lasted longer than bear markets. Those that try to drive everything down, short markets, sell everything, they lose long term. They might be winning this battle right now and thinking it's great to short companies, sell everything, while those are trying to build and grow and work and invest for their benefit too, because when it goes up, they'll want to buy back in again. Why is it going to go up? Because people like me don't sell. People like me work hard and buy the dips. But it's tough. I'm not going to deny it. It's tough. You're going against everything. It's the way it's always been. It's always hard to do the right thing. We don't know when the bottom's going to come. but we do know it's going to come. And eventually those that short the market will be wiped out. Those that go against everything will eventually lose. And those that stay in the game will eventually win. But between now and then, you have to face the scourge of it all, the noise, the drama, the constant chaos. Wall Street now are going to war with Donald Trump. I've read information that supports this. They do not agree with these tariffs. 1 minute they're on, next minute they're off, next minute they're on, next minute they're off. It's creating chaos. People are hoarding. People are importing too much to get round the tariffs. It's creating an imbalance. It's creating chaos. And they're punishing the policies. They're selling the market. They're dumping everything. And then retail investors are getting fearful. I don't know how many retail investors will be left at this point. Most retail investors are over-leveraged, like me. Perhaps. However, I'm very structured. I'm very disciplined. For me, I will be the last to fall. Of all the retail investors, I will be the last to fall. I am the captain of the ship, and I will be the last to get off the ship. Absolutely. I do what I say what I do, and I face it, I deal with it, and I keep working, I keep investing. There's only so much I can do, but I will be the last one to fall. You will see me here as the last retail investor. And just as the last retail investor leave the field, that is when, as it always has been, all through history, that will be the moment the markets go up. No doubt about it. It will happen. A good day will come. And when it comes, are you in or are you out? Did you last the course? Were you part of the problem? Did you drive the markets down? Did you short it? Did you dump everything? I don't always agree with it. I don't like it. I think people who get up in the morning with the intent of driving markets down, manipulating things, spreading FUD, I don't particularly like that type of person. I don't. I'll be honest with you, I don't like it. But it's the game you play. If you come into the stock market, this is the game you play. If you don't want this, you don't use margin, you don't invest, you just put your money in the bank and earn 4%. That's what you do. But if you're trying to grow and trying to invest, these are the pains and stresses you have to go through. There it is. I'll be the last one standing. I'll be the last retail investor left. No question. I will go to the very, very end. I'm investing in the best asset, the most unvolatile asset as it happens. You wouldn't believe it, would you? There it is. Just a few more days to go, 2 weeks to go before I get paid again. When I get paid, things will get a lot better. And then I got to go another month and I'll stay in the game. That's it from me. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here and over here for more videos you might enjoy. I'm not going anywhere. I've been here for the up days and the down days. I'm not going anywhere. I wish everyone the best. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.